Welcome to my YouTube automotive channel. In today's short video I will show you how to remove and replace the front emblem on a 2009 Chevy Tahoe. This works from 2009 all the way up to 2014. To start, open up the front hood, and first you'll need to remove 6 10mm screws. So this one, this one, and these two on the right side. By doing that, you'll get more access to the back of the front emblem. Okay, these are the screws, so 6 of them. Once you remove them, you'll be able to pull the grill a bit more further out to get more access with your hand to the back of the emblem. I'll try to record this. Okay, on the back of the emblem you'll have 2 of these plastic fasteners on these black pins, one on each side of the emblem. They're also 10mm, so just use your ratchet to remove those, and then you'll be able to just pull off the front emblem. Okay guys, so those are those fasteners, 10mm, very easy to remove with your small ratchet. Okay, and now the emblem will be loose. It still might be glued to this chrome part, so you can use something like this to gently pry it out on all the sides, or even better, use that plastic trim remover. Don't be like me. Yeah, so just you can pretty much pull it off. Okay, and here is how it looks on the back side. So 2 pins held by 10mm fasteners, and mine was glued here in the middle. You can see here and here. So if it doesn't go out once you remove those screws, you just have to pry it a bit with something like this and cut this piece. Yeah, important thing before you are placing new emblem: clean this good with alcohol and try to remove this glue and this sticker. And it would also be a good idea to put a bit of double-sided tape around this area when you are placing your new emblem. In case you decide to reuse this emblem, there is a couple of very good videos on YouTube showing how to repaint this, and it's gonna look really good. Maybe even better than the original. You can paint in black maybe, and it's gonna give it that nice aggressive look, but that's up to you. Thank you for watching my video. I hope it was helpful. If it was, please like it and subscribe to my channel. I try to post new videos daily. On my channel you can find lots of how-to videos, do-it-yourself videos, car reviews, product reviews, and similar automotive topics.